All right. Good afternoon, students. How are you all?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking.
That
So that was very pleasant. All right. So I hope most of the students have joined in, right? I'll just drop a text for the rest of the students. So students, did you see these messages about World Bicycle Day? Your class in charge ma'am has shared it in the group, right? So in case you are interested, you can send your picture, right, with your bicycle, clicked anywhere in Jalandhar, right? Or you can also send a slogan if you want to. You can send your entries till 5 p.m. So I would suggest that it's a good idea, right? And it's an interesting contest as well, like getting your picture clicked with your bicycle, and you can always pick a very nice background, right? So if you find the time, if you have a bicycle or any of your friends has a bicycle, I would say go ahead, click a picture and send it to this contest. All right.
मैम इसका बेनिफिट क्या है?
Benefit beta ये है कि say you will be participating, and also like if you go out, to click your picture, you can have fun. Like that will be a fun thing to do, right? पूरे दिन आप I think वैसे usually घर पे classes में ही निकल जाता होगा. And other than that, yes, you will get a participation certificate, I believe, right? So actually, this is what your college experience is all about right now. Other than the classes, it is these online contests only which are making it interesting, right? अगर तो proper college लग रहा होता, we would have a lot of more activities here in person. However, now since like the government is not allowing you guys to come to the college, and of course the COVID situation is pretty bad. So this is all we can do, to keep you guys interested, to give you a break from studying. So Baki, it's a good idea to get your picture clicked. I am planning to send an entry myself because this is open for faculty members as well, right? So it will be good if you guys also participate. So maybe we can make a collage of all the entries that we receive, right? Okay, so Gurpreet, is your PPT ready? But I believe one of your partners is not here. हाँ जी, yes,
यस
Gurpreet.
मैम, विशाल नहीं है
विशाल नहीं है. So I don't
मैम.
know.
कंपलसरी है मैम, ऐसे पीपीटी शो करनी ही करनी है?
नहीं, मेरे को पता चला था कि आप बना चुके हो तीनों.
मैम
नहीं.
रेडी थी पूरी मैम. मैंने बताया ना जिस दिन मैं बीमार हो गया
हम्म.
मैम, उस दिन मेरी पूरी प्रिपेयर थी मैम. मैंने अपना मतलब पूरी थ्योरी वाला मैम मैंने अपनी रेडी कर ली थी. फिर मैम उसके
Alright.
बाद मैं वो माहौल से नहीं रहा मैम, एनवायरनमेंट मैम.
तो अभी ये जो अभी विशाल 363 रोल नंबर आपके ग्रुप में है कि विशाल कुमार है? यस गुरप्रीत. See, that is the only reason I want you to present because your PPT is already ready.
मैम यही वाला है, 363 वाला.
Okay, so do you want to present it in this lecture or you want to present it tomorrow or whenever we meet next?
मैम यही वाला है, 363 वाला.
Okay, so अभी
मैम
गुरप्रीत,
स्किप नहीं कर सकते इसको?
क्यों आप स्किप क्यों करना चाहते हो अगर आपने बना ली ऑलरेडी, राइट? यू पुट इन योर टाइम एंड
मैम अभी मैम वो मैम
Gurpreet, your voice is breaking. Can you type it and send your message? Like send it in the chat if it is convenient. All right, I think some network issue, right? So anyway, yes, see, we do mark your internal assessment, right? So for this particular subject, you don't have any exam as such. So this was the idea for giving you this activity, that I can mark your internal assessment as well. And it will be a good chance for you to just practice how you present a PPT, right? So that is what you will have to do a number of times once you start working. All right, so this was the whole idea. And I would suggest, since you have already prepared your PPT, then why not show it in the class? Right? Yes, Gurpreet. Gurpreet, am I audible? Yes, Gurpreet, Harman, Vishal. Okay, so audio is not clear. I guess it must be some network issue at my end. Right, so let's hope it gets resolved. All right, so for today, I thought that I am again, like in the last class, I asked you what improvements you feel should be there in the education sector, right? So I have something similar planned for this lecture as well. I will give you time to think over your answer, right? Whatever you feel. So just to make sure that you get my message, I'll write it in the chat. All right. So students, all right. So I hope, is my audio clear now? Yes, Vishal, Sushant, Sonali. Yes, Jaswinder, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. And also, I hope all of you have read the message in the chat. Right? So, have you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, I'll give you 5 minutes, right? Think of your answers, and then all of us can share it, right? And we can discuss the same. All right? All right, students, are you ready to share your answers? So yes, students, should we start? Hanji, Arvind, can you hear me? Yes, Arvind, am I audible? All right, moving on. Gurpreet, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Gurpreet, is your answer ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so share it with us.
And the two biggest problem the world is facing right now is, ma'am, first is population, and second, ma'am, is the misuse of government power. And because most of us, ma'am, see in many countries, मैम पीपल, मैम मतलब जैसे मैम रिसेंटली मैम देखने को मिल जाता है किसी ना किसी कंट्री में मैम लोग धरने वगैरह देते ही रहते हैं मैम, क्योंकि सरकार लोगों की सुन नहीं रही है मैम.
All right. So you feel that the governments are not, people friendly, right? Public friendly,
यस मैम.
right? You can also say maybe they are more
इंडिया
of,
में भी यही चल रहा है
Hanji.
मैम.
Okay. So yes, do expand on how you feel the situation is same in India. Hanji, Gurpreet. So tell me, how do you feel? Okay, audio issue from your side. Okay, so you can elaborate here. So that was actually a very good observation on Gurpreet's part, that he feels one, that the population explosion, or that is one problem that the world is facing and we need to look after it. And another is that the governments are turning more, I think he wanted to say that they're turning more dictatorial, right? So they're turning more, let's say, anti-public sentiment, that everywhere the voters are discontent, they are not happy with the government that they elected, right? So Gurpreet, I would have loved to hear how you feel about the situation in India, right? So in case there is an audio issue, you can always tell me in chat and I can read it for the whole class. Okay, so very good observation. He says that the Delhi farmers' protest is one big example how the government is not listening to the people, right? And it is also observed in various other countries where people are always protesting due to one reason or the other. Like if you are familiar, if you keep up with the news, you might have seen that people in Hong Kong protest. Why? Because China is trying to change its policies with respect to Hong Kong. It tries to exert more control over Hong Kong, right? तो सिमिलरली जैसे अभी आपने इजराइल पैलेस्टीन में तो देखा ही होगा कि कैसे कितनी ज्यादा वायलेंस हो रहा है एंड इट इज सो टफ फॉर द पीपल हु आर लिविंग देयर, द कॉमन पब्लिक हु इज रिजाइडिंग देयर, right? So Gurpreet, that was a very good answer from your side. I'm very happy with your answer. So if there is an audio issue, I'll just tell you. All right. So let's move further. Harman, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Harman. So tell me what, according to you, are the two biggest problems that we are facing right now?
मैम जैसे बोल के की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है तो फिर उससे वाइल्ड लाइफ को बहुत ज़्यादा खतरा हो रहा है और जो सी endangered species हैं वो मतलब खत्म हो रही हैं.
All right. So again, you agree with him that population explosion is one problem, right? And that is leading to, you know, the indiscriminate use of resources.
Yes.
है ना, जैसे वाइल्ड लाइफ का आप कह रहे हो कि वाइल्ड लाइफ के लिए रहने के लिए जगह कम हो रही है बिकॉज हम फॉरेस्ट लैंड भी सारा ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
So what other, you can always mention another problem that you feel is like, which needs immediate attention. Yes, try.
मैम यही है दिमाग में इसके अलावा
कौन सी वाली?
मैंने कहा यही है इसके अलावा भी है नहीं कोई पॉइंट दिमाग में आ रहा.
ओके, चलो अगर कोई और भी आप पॉइंट शेयर करना चाहोगे तो यू कैन ऑलवेज सेंड इट इन चैट, राइट? So moving further, let's talk to Jaswinder. So Jaswinder, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Jaswinder. So tell me what, according to you, are the two biggest problems that we are facing?
ਜੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਾਲਿਸੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਲਾਗੂ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਜੀ ਆ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਠੇਕੇ ਠੁਕੇ ਖੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਬੰਦ ਆ ਕਾਲਜ ਬੰਦ ਜੰਪੀ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਤੇ ਜੀ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੈਲੋ ਹੁੱਲੂ ਪਈ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ
ਤੇ
ਦੂਜੀ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਫਾਰਮਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ 3 ਲਾਅ ਆ ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਉਹ ਚ 3 ਲਾਅਆਂ ਚ ਜੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵੱਢਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਟੇਟ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਚ ਸਕਦਾ ਤੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਸਟੇਟ ਤੋਰੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ MSP ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੰਨੀ ਸੀ ਆਹੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੀ ਬਸ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਨੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਇਜ਼ਰਾਈਲ ਚ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਈ ਆ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਮਰਵਾਈ ਜਾਣ ਡਿਆ ਆਹੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਜੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਤਾਂ
ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਿਓ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਹੀ ਬੋਲਣੀ ਪਵੇ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ,
ਬਟ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਆਨਸਰ। ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਕਾਫੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਈ ਪਾਲਿਸੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਫਿਰ ਵੈਕਸੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਰੂਲ ਕੱਢ ਦਿੰਦੇ, ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਰੂਲ ਕੱਢ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੀ ਜੀ।
ਫਿਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਜ਼ਰਾਈਲ ਪੈਲਸਟੀਨ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਹੈ, ਹੋ ਕੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਾਮਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਸਫਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਪਾਵਰ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਤੇ ਪਾਵਰ ਪਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਓਕੇ, ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਕਾਫੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੋਵੇ?
ਉਹ ਜੀ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਜੀ। ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਤੇ ਰੈਲੀਆਂ ਕੱਢਦੇ ਆ, ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਰੋਂਦੇ ਆ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ।
ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਦੇਖਣਾ, ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਕੇਸ ਵੱਧ ਗਏ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਟੋਟਲ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਲਗਾ ਦੇਣਾ।
ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਖਲੋਂਦੇ ਆ,
ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ?
ਕੱਢਦੇ ਆ ਰੈਲੀਆਂ ਜੀ ਆਪ ਕੱਢਦੇ ਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ।
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਸ ਜੀ।
ਚਲੋ, ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਆਨਸਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਸਵਿੰਦਰ, ਕੀਪ ਦੈਟ ਅਪ ਐਂਡ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਥੋੜਾ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਿਓ। ਚਲੋ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਵਰਡਸ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਏਦਾਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਪੂਰਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਨਸਰ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਲਓਗੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼,
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਰਾਈਟ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਵਿਊ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੇ ਹੈ।
ठीक है जी।
All right. So next, let's ask Nikhil. Yes, Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, Nikhil, what do you feel are the two biggest issues that we are facing?
Ma'am, from my side, ma'am, the two biggest issues from my side is, ma'am, first is corona pandemic, and second is lack of oxygen for the treatment of corona patients.
All right. So in what ways has corona pandemic impacted the whole world?
In our country, as a large diverse country, in which the is and the number in the world. Yes, ma'am. Caring too much for about corona, they are freely moving out without wearing any mask in small towns, and gives him when
All
they
right.
see police, they wear mask when they out.
So there are a lot of issues with complying with the rules regarding corona, the protocol, right? So we see people that they're not always wearing a mask, they are not maintaining social distancing, right? And that is making it all the more difficult to control the situation, right? So the cases won't decrease till the time everybody follows these protocols and these precautions, right? So you're very correct about it. And also the oxygen cylinder, the paucity which is continuing, that is definitely a very big problem, because we are losing a lot of people just because the resources are not there or they're not transported on time, राइट सो अगर आपने न्यूज पढ़ी होगी एक जगह पे क्या था कि आई डोंट नो वन ऑफ द लीडिंग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज दे जस्ट स्टॉप्ड वन कंसाइनमेंट व्हाई because they wanted to put the stickers of their own political parties on the oxygen cylinders, right? And on the other hand, the hospitals are waiting desperately, the patients are waiting desperately कि oxygen cylinders मिलेंगे and maybe some lives can be saved, right? And yes, talking about corona pandemic, I hope आपने ये news पढ़ी होगी that US and New Zealand, Australia, they are requesting that independent probe should be done about how corona pandemic originated, right? So जैसे आपको पहले भी पता है कि चाइना में कितना मतलब everybody is very suspicious of what China was up to, right? Why they did not inform well in time that something is wrong, and कितना ज़्यादा अभी तक problem हो गया economically in terms of loss of human life, right? And also a disruption of our normal life and travel, right? So I hope you read that news about how all the countries are requesting an independent probe into the origin of this coronavirus. Okay? So now that was a good answer from your side, Nikhil. Let's talk to Sonali. Sonali, am I audible? Yes, Sonali, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Sonali. So tell me, what do you feel are the two biggest issues that we are facing today?
The first issue is COVID-19. Um, COVID-19 has affected day-to-day life, and it's slowing down the global economy. This pandemic has affected thousands of people who are either sick or are being killed due to the spread of these diseases. And the second one is overpopulation. Population controlling scheme should be passes as in China, not having more than one or two childs in a family. That's it, ma'am. And pollution also.
So yes, mother, if you were to consider which is the biggest problem, so that would be COVID, right? Second would be the population explosion, and third would be pollution, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Sonali, that was a very good answer, right? And I really liked it how you also explained it. Why do you think that this is a big problem, right? So you're correct about, so many people losing their lives to corona, right? And also the resources being very less due to population explosion. So that was a very good effort
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your end. So now let's talk to Sushant.
Eh,
Sushant, am I audible?
Ma'am, in my point of view, the most recent problem in the world is health issue. Ma'am, because there is hospital in small towns, small villages. Ma'am, I recently did a man travels, I think, 300 to 400 kilometers on cycle for buy a medicine for his son. Ma'am, so that the first the my recent problem is the first is a health issue, and the second is ma'am, the policies of governments. Or
So would you agree that if I say that, more than the policies of the government, another issue is the way they, implement those policies. जैसे अब farm laws का ही था, without any consultation, right? जब lockdown लगा हुआ है, pandemic चल रहा है, इन्होंने कैसे hurriedly they just passed those farm laws. They did not consult any farmers unions, right?
yes, ma'am.
ऐसे अगर आपने
Ma'am,
सेंट्रल
and as well as ma'am, जैसे क्या मैम डिस्पेंसरीज है मैम, वहाँ पर मेडिसिन ही नहीं अवेलेबल है. अगर मैम कोई हो मैम, अगर कोई मैम इतना फाइनेंशियली गुड नहीं है कि वो मैम प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में जाकर अपना इलाज कराए या अपने मैम बच्चों का इलाज कराए, सो मैम वो तो डिस्पेंसरी जाएगा, यहाँ पर मैम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इलाज हो.
राइट, वेरी ट्रू
मैम डिस्पेंसरीज में कह सकते हैं, सिविल हॉस्पिटल्स में कह सकते हैं मैम, मेडिसिन ही अवेलेबल है, तो फिर मैम वही तो बात है ना मैम, डेथ रेट इंक्रीज हो रहा है.
That is a very, very intelligent observation from your side.
और एक मैम जैसे मैम कह रहे हैं कि मैम वैक्सीनेशन सभी को लगाना चाहिए. वैक्सीनेशन अभी मैम मैं खुद की बात है किया है मैम, हमने जैसे मैम हमारे मैम फादर ने मैम मदर ने भी वैक्सीन लगवानी थी. मैम ऐसी है कि हॉस्पिटल्स में ही नहीं अवेलेबल है मैम. तो ऐप है ना कोवा, आई थिंक कोवा ऐप, या मैम
कोविन
यहाँ पर मैम वैक्सीनेशन की इंफॉर्मेशन आती है मैम. यस, कोविन मैम, वहाँ पर मैम वैक्सीनेशन ही नहीं अवेलेबल है, और मैम कह रहे हैं कि वैक्सीनेट करो.
बिल्कुल सही है, मतलब गवर्नमेंट इज पुशिंग दैट एवरीबडी शुड बी वैक्सीनेटेड, हाउएवर दे आर नॉट देमसेल्व्स वेल प्रिपेयर्ड टू टैकल दैट, राइट?
यस मैम, यस मैम.
एंड तभी तो क्रिटिसाइज इतना कर रहे हैं कि दिस इज नॉट दैट दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम.
18 को भी लगेगी वैक्सीन मैम. 45 से जो पीपल्स को क्या मैं जो यंगर यूथ है.
राइट, सो अभी जो जैसे ज्यादा रिस्क वाला ग्रुप है, हाई रिस्क ग्रुप या मोर वल्नरेबल ग्रुप लाइक पीपल विद कोमॉर्बिडिटीज, अभी उनकी 100% कवरेज नहीं हुई, तो अभी ये 18 to 44 की कैसे लगाएंगे, राइट? So I hope I caught your point that, you made some wonderful points that, first of all, this whole COVID scenario, right? And this exposed that our hospital, our health infrastructure is so lagging behind, right? जो आप जैसे बेटा पॉइंट बोल रहे थे ना, आप इसको बेटर फ्रेम कर सकते हो that it is not available at the ground root level. ग्राउंड रूट्स लेवल होता है कि जो बिल्कुल बेसिक है, जैसे विलेजेस में हो गया, स्मॉल टाउन्स हो गए, दैट इज द ग्राउंड रूट्स, कि वहीं तक ये फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल नहीं है, हमारा मेडिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट appropriate or not adequate enough to cater to the needs of the whole population. And COVID-19 pandemic has just exposed it completely, that how we are still lagging behind. We cannot even cater to the basic needs of the population. Similarly, yes, we are not well stocked when it comes to vaccines or even medicines for COVID. ठीक है, तो अभी आपने पढ़ा होगा कि काफी ज्यादा इसके आर्टिकल्स आए हैं that the government knew that the second wave was coming, right? It was expected, and people had started talking about this much before, that we would need so many, ventilators, we would need so many ICUs, then we might need so many oxygen cylinders, vaccines. However, what India did, we did not take care of that. We did not think कि हमारे इतने ज़्यादा daily case load हो जाएगा. We did not prepare ourselves despite having the time to do so. Right? So we had good enough months. जैसे September में last peak आई थी. As per the official figures, we don't know वैसे तो कब last peak आई होगी. ठीक है? And then, okay, so everybody was reporting के cases कम हो रहे हैं, but we don't know for sure कि सच में कम हुए हैं या नहीं. ठीक है? And then the surge again started in March, April. And now we have all seen the news about lack of oxygen and lack of hospital beds, and nobody has the means to, especially the poor people suffer the most in this situation. The people from lower socio-economic background, they are the ones who suffer the most, right? And they are the ones जिसके लिए तो government बनी, and the government is responsible for them, right? It is responsible for catering to their needs. So that was a very good point from you, Sushant. So yes, Vishal. So you can give the concluding points. Yes, Vishal, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Vishal, share your opinion about what you think are the two biggest problems that we are facing.
I mean, in my opinion, terrorism is a really major issue across the whole world. Because of this, ma'am, many innocent people are living in insecurity and fear, and death without any warning. And there is no matter of another people. It's just a government issue between two countries and two religions. So, ma'am, बस मैम यही मैम, इनकी वजह से मैम बीच में जो आम जनता होती है मैम, वो भी फंस जाती है.
You are very true that the common people suffer the most.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and another problem you think that we might be facing? So that was a good observation that yes, terrorism is one big issue. And
ma'am, government corruption, ma'am.
All right, so corruption in the government, right?
Yeah. मैम जैसे मैम हर एक मैम एरिया में मैम हमें मैम जान पहचान की लोड़ पड़ती है मैम. अगर हमने कोई काम कराना हो, अगर कोई आम आदमी जाएगा तो मैम उनको मैम बहुत टाइम लगेगा, मतलब इधर उधर भेज जाएंगे. अगर हम किसी बड़ी पोस्ट वाले की हम सिफारिश लेके जाएंगे तो वो हमें बिठा कर काम कराएंगे. तो मतलब यही है कि आम लोगों की कोई सुनता ही नहीं है जब तक हम किसी की बात ना कराएं. तो
वेरी ट्रू.
ये मैम नॉट इन इंडिया मैम, पूरे मैम वर्ल्ड में ये है मैम. मेरे मैम रिश्तेदार है मैम, उन्हें बाहर की PR चाहिए थे. उन्होंने वहां पे भी सिफारिश लगाई तो जल्दी काम करने के लिए.
ओके, सो
मतलब यहीं पे नहीं है, वहां पर भी ऐसे ही होता है.
वहां पर भी सेम है. हमें यहाँ पर एक्चुअली हमें यहाँ पे बैठ के लगता है कि थिंग्स आर बेटर, राइट, इन कनाडा, US और अदर कंट्रीज.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but the truth is that corruption is everywhere. It is only in different forms and different degree, different magnitude, right? So even in India, you keep hearing news, you read news, right? जो हमारे जैसे mostly arms deals होते हैं, ठीक है? यहाँ जो हमारे हम defense के purchases करते हैं. So we keep buying from France or Israel, right? We keep buying weapons or let's say fighter aircraft from other countries. And you might have heard of these figures that each like aircraft might cost hundreds of crores rupees, right? तो उसमें फिर बाद में आता है जैसे बॉफर्ड स्कैम हुआ था. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू रेड अबाउट इट. एंड अभी जो रफेल जेट आए हैं, ठीक है, फ्रॉम फ्रांस, तो इसमें भी कुछ ना कुछ आ रहे हैं आगे एलिगेशंस, राइट? So I hope you stay updated with all this news because then you can connect dots that देखो health sector में ऐसे हो रहा है, इसमें ये हो रहा है. अगर अभी आपने वो सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट का पढ़ा होगा, so everybody is familiar with Central Vista project? Yes or no? So it is, one construction project taking place. Okay. So I'll tell you, जैसे ना दिल्ली में ये प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, it is गवर्नमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट है सेंट्रल विस्टा, ठीक है? तो पूरे दिल्ली में they are going to demolish certain buildings and make a new parliament house, right? Make a new house for the PM, residence for the PM. And everybody is criticizing this move. Why? Because in the times of pandemic, we need funds for our health sector, ठीक है? So we don't have extra funds कि हम ऐसे और कंस्ट्रक्शन करवाएं. तो इसके अगेंस्ट ना काफी सिटीजन दे ऑल्सो वेंट टू कोर्ट. हाउएवर दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने भी गवर्नमेंट के फेवर में डिसीजन दे दिया. एंड व्हाट इट डिड, इट फाइंड द पिटिशनर्स थे जिन्होंने ये केस डाला था, राइट? तो उनको उल्टा फाइन लगा दिया. Similarly, even Supreme Court has given some, statement that this is one of the, important projects. And आपने सारे different ministers का तो सुना ही होगा कि Central Vista project is important, we need it, it is, मतलब need of the hour, so on and so forth. However, on the other hand, you might have, read articles or seen articles or headlines कि पूरा internationally this move is being criticized, right? So newspapers in UK, newspapers in US, Canada, everywhere. The जो leading newspapers हैं या journals हैं ना, जैसे Times हो गया, the Time magazine, right? Then we have the Economist. So all of them are criticizing this move on the part of government that इतना भी ये क्या जरूरी हो गया project, right? So if you want to read more about it, I would just suggest that you Google this Central Vista project. I'll write it here, right? And then you'll get a very good idea of what it is about. And then later when you read news related to it, you will be able to understand कि इसका इतना क्यों, मतलब why is it so much in news. All right. So that was all for the class today. I thank you all for, giving your valuable inputs and participating in the class.